Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study History Grade 11 step by step. Start by listing your syllabus topics and set weekly goals, then prioritize primary themes and key events. Use a calendar to schedule study blocks and mix reading with active recall. Keep notes concise and thematic so you can trace causes and consequences easily. Aim for steady, focused sessions rather than last-minute cramming for better retention. Try varied study methods to build strong memory and understanding. Read textbook sections, then close the book and recite key points aloud for active recall, and write short summaries to reinforce learning. Build timelines for each unit and annotate them with causes, outcomes, and key figures. Discuss topics with classmates or form study pairs to test each other, and regularly revisit older units to keep them fresh in your memory. As exams approach, focus on targeted practice and time management. Simulate exam conditions with past papers and practice essays to sharpen structure and pacing, then review model answers to spot gaps. Create concise essay plans you can adapt during tests, and use spaced repetition for crucial dates, names, and concepts. Stay calm, prioritize weak areas, and balance revision with short breaks so your brain stays alert and efficient on test day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.